Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia, planting a lovely bellflower today. I love this one. This is Campanula muralis. And Campanula muralis, I know we say about plants that thrive on total and utter neglect, but it definitely does. I put up a video after this one of one in flower in an old chimney pot in the nursery for the last 20 years and gets no water, no care, no feed, and doing fantastically well. The idea here is just going to spread around this area and spill out over the stones and spread up along here and flower for months. It's a really tough, hardy, reliable bellflower. Now we've dug out a decent sized plant hole. We used the Korean hoe. Korean hoe is a great digging tool, far easier to work with than digging with a trowel, and you can cut through soil easily, and it's a great weeding tool. Handful of Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom that we slowly release for the plant and feed it nicely over the next while, and help to reduce transplant shock. He gets a fright coming out of his pot and settling in here. Be quite happy here. Now, so we're going to put a little bit of Super Thrive or some swell wild compost mixed in there as well. No excuse for this fella to do well. And to be here for years and years to come, giving us months of colour every year. You could walk on it, you could jump on it, you could drive over it, and it still would come back to reward you with lots and lots of colour. So in there is settle them in. This Campanula muralis will be here for years and years to come, giving us months and months of colour spilling out over the stonework. Well, we're finding a spot for, remember, totally winter hardy and lasts for years. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.